So yes, ladies and gentlemen, you saw and clicked on this video correctly. I will be personally taking your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos and transforming them into a business that gives you reoccurring monthly income for years to come. And I know this might sound a bit too good to be true, so let me give you some background on how I did it in my channel, how I did it in my business, while teaching other 30,000 people from all around the world how to do the exact same thing. To explain this process, we need to rewind time about 3 years ago, when I had a channel with about 1,500 subscribers, in which I have been uploading for years. After I realized that this channel and the content that I uploaded there were leading to nowhere, I decided to capitalize on the knowledge that I have gained after uploading for many years on YouTube and actually teach other people of some stuff that I was very passionate about. For me personally, this was cameras, lenses, and video editing. With 0 followers, 0 initial investment, and just a passion to teach and a topic that I knew about, I managed to transform my small channel into an online course creation business that has educated more than 30,000 people from 158 different countries from all around the world and has been generating monthly reoccurring income for years now. And this is also the journey that I will personally guide you through if you decide to start working with me. Let me actually go through every single step of our collaboration. So once we shake hands and we decide to embark on this journey together, me and you, I'm gonna send you a complete 2.5-hour course that I have personally created with every dataset and every technical detail that you need to know regarding online course creation. And I don't want to be the guy that breaks the news, but if you thought that you wouldn't do anything and you would just sit on a couch and I would create a business for you, well, unfortunately, this is not true. You need to input the time and the energy. But trust me, I have a plan that works flawlessly. We just both need to work smart here. So once you consume all of the content that I will send you completely for free, then it's time to get busy. So the first thing that we're gonna do is a big brainstorming call. We're gonna set foundation on how to turn your YouTube channel and your YouTube experience into this online course business. So we're gonna be talking about and analyzing your skills, your target audience, how can you serve those people, and how you can combine your skills with very relevant and very hot topics to bring more and more enrollments into the online course business that we will create. Trust me, I've been in the field of online course creation for way too long. I know which are the hot topics. I know which topics will get enrollments. So I'm gonna combine my knowledge with your expertise to bring the best results here. So once we're done with this first call, it is time to move to the second big and very important call of our journey. In this second video call, we're gonna be scripting and outlining your first course. And this is gonna be one of the most important calls. If you note down the information that I'm gonna be delivering to you and you decode the way that I script and I outline my courses so you know how to implement this in your courses, which is exactly what we're gonna be doing right in the second call, then we have solved the hardest part of this whole conversion of your YouTube channel into an online course creation business. Step number 4 is to turn your room, okay, perhaps your bedroom, into a fully functional, automated online course creation studio. Now, I know this sounds complicated. I know that you don't want to be bringing lights, cameras, and all that stuff in your room, but the truth is that it is way easier than you think to transform your room into a functional working space. If we're taking this business seriously, then you need to have a dedicated working space, and we're gonna build this together. This is one of the most fun video calls that we're gonna have, and I really enjoy doing this and actually putting this creative touch into every single one setup that we create together. After that, we're gonna move into call number 5. Up until this point, again, you have watched the complete course that I've sent you. You know everything about the information and the technical details. We have analyzed your skills, your target audience, and how to create sexy topics, for your online courses. Then we have scripted and outlined your first course, and we have also turned your bedroom into a fully functional online course creation studio. So now it is time to actually shoot this course. And I know this sounds, very intimidating. Oh my God, I'm gonna shoot a course. But trust me, after all of the information that you're gonna have, it's gonna be so easy for you to shoot the course. You can't wait to shoot the course. You're gonna feel like a kid again on Christmas morning, trust me. Once you have actually shot all of the lessons of the course, we're gonna move into the final video call, the 6th video call of ours. At this point, we'll have a complete ready and functional product, right? You have shot the courses, the product is there. Now it is time to distribute this program into those online course marketplaces in which we're actually going to be making money from. And each online course marketplace needs, let's say, a different packaging of your product. So this is what we're doing in the final goal of our journey. We're going to be packaging our product, okay, creating titles, descriptions, thumbnails, okay, all of that stuff differently for each online course marketplace. Because guess what? Once we press upload, and this product that we have brainstormed, scripted, outlined, shot, edited, packaged, and distributed, it's gonna be out there. We've just created our first asset of this business. And this asset, this online course, will be creating money every single month for months and months to come, as long as, you know, the topic is still hot, as long as people still want to learn what you teach. And what's the next step after that? Well, it's very simple. You know the process, you know the system, so now all you need to know to become autonomous and free is to improve and repeat this system until you can take me out of the equation. Because I want you to be the owner of this business. I want you to be the CEO that takes the calls. Okay, so we're gonna be gradually taking me out of the equation, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is how we're gonna turn your YouTube channel into a completely functional online course creation business in this journey of ours, right? In those video calls. So this is my proposal. Take it or leave it. And if you want to start this journey with me, the first link in the description is your first step. Thank you very much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.